How to connect Polk Subwoofer to Soundbar. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Polk Subwoofer to your soundbar, whether it is a wireless or wired setup. I'll guide you step by step so you can enjoy deep, powerful bass with zero confusion. Let's get started. Wireless setup. 1. Plug in both devices. Start by plugging in both your Polk soundbar and subwoofer to a power outlet. 2. Wait for automatic pairing. Once powered on, most Polk subwoofers automatically pair with the soundbar. If the LED lights on the subwoofer turn solid green or blue, you're all set. 3. Manual pairing. If they don't connect automatically, press and hold the pair button on the subwoofer until the light starts blinking. On the soundbar, press and hold the pair button or use the remote pairing option. When the light on the subwoofer turns solid, the connection is successful. Wireless setup. 1. Check the ports. If your wireless doesn't work or your model uses a cable, check if your soundbar has a sub-out port and your subwoofer has an RCA or LFE in port. 2. Connect with an RCA cable. Plug one end of the RCA cable into the soundbar's sub-out port and the other end into the subwoofer's line in or LFE in. Then power everything on. Troubleshooting and tips. If you don't hear sound, make sure both devices are powered and the sub is muted. Try moving the subwoofer closer to the soundbar. Avoid placing the near Wi-Fi routers or microwaves. And if needed, reset both devices and pair again. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to connect your Polk subwoofer to your soundbar. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.